The 1950s was a golden era for automotive design, an age of bold styling, powerful V8 engines, and luxurious craftsmanship. But among the many cars produced in this decade, a few stand out as truly rare and exclusive. These are the cars that only the wealthiest, luckiest, or most dedicated collectors could ever own. Today, we'll take a look at the 5 rarest and most exclusive cars of the 1950s. Let's dive in. 1954 Oldsmobile F-88 Concept. Imagine if Oldsmobile had created a sports car to rival the Chevrolet Corvette. Well, they did, but it never made it to mass production. The 1954 Oldsmobile F-88 was a dream machine, featuring a sleek fiberglass body, a powerful rocket V8 engine, and futuristic styling that was decades ahead of its time. Specifications: engine 5.3L, 324 qn, rocket V8, 250 horsepower, transmission 4-speed hydramatic automatic, top speed around 150 miles per hour. Only one fully assembled F-88 is known to exist today. It was sold at auction for a staggering $3.24 million, making it one of the most valuable American concept cars ever. 1957 Jaguar XKSS. Next, we have the 1957 Jaguar XKSS, road-legal version of the legendary Jaguar D-Type race car. Jaguar planned to build 25 units, but fate had other plans. A factory fire destroyed most of them, leaving only 16 survivors. Specifications: engine 3.4L inline, 6, 250 horsepower, transmission 4-speed manual, top speed 149 miles per hour. Hollywood legend Steve McQueen owned one, making it even more famous. Today, the Jaguar XKSS is considered one of the rarest and most desirable sports cars ever built, with prices exceeding $13 million at auctions. 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe. One of the most breathtaking cars of the 1950s is the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe. Built as a street-legal version of the Le Mans winning race car, only 2 were ever made. Specifications: engine 3L straight 8, 310 horsepower, transmission 5-speed manual, top speed 180 miles per hour, fastest road car of the 1950s. This was the personal company car of Rudolf Uhlenhaut, Mercedes' chief engineer. One of these cars was sold in 2022 for a record-breaking $143 million, making it the most expensive car ever sold. 1956 Chrysler Norseman Concept. Next, we have a car that no one has seen in person for decades, the 1956 Chrysler Norseman. Designed by Chrysler and built in Italy by Gaia, this concept car featured a cantilevered roof with no A-pillars, giving it a futuristic floating appearance. Specifications: engine 5.8L V8, estimated 285 horsepower, transmission push-button automatic, top speed unknown. Tragically, the only prototype was lost at sea when the ship carrying it, the Andrea Doria, sank in 1956. To this day, the Norseman remains a ghost of automotive history, resting somewhere at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. 1953 Cadillac Eldorado Special Convertible. Finally, we have the 1953 Cadillac Eldorado Special Convertible, a car built for royalty, celebrities, and the ultra-rich. This was the most luxurious and expensive Cadillac of its time, with a price tag of $7,750, about $80,000 today. Specifications: engine 5.4L, 331 cun, V8, 210 horsepower, transmission Hydra-matic automatic, Top speed, 112 miles per hour. Only 532 units were ever produced, and they were hand-built with features like power windows, a signal-seeking radio, and a wraparound windshield. Today, restored examples can sell for over $250,000. These 5 cars represent the pinnacle of rarity, exclusivity, and timeless design from the 1950s. Whether lost at sea, owned by Hollywood icons, or fetching record-breaking auction prices, each of these machines has an unforgettable story.